Hi guys, so in this section we will discuss about events which we are already using but we have not discussed till now. Okay, so to event is nothing but when if you are doing something, what should happen. So in last few section what we are doing, we are clicking a button and then on click, this is the event. On click event it should do should call this function. So there are n numbers of events are in JavaScript. So like mouse over, on click, you just drag somewhere. So all this kind of event you should, when you're doing some event, what should happen or what action should be done, perform. Okay, so two things are required for event. One is tag, like it should be button, paragraph, anything. Other thing is event type, like on click, mouse over or something. So this is very important thing in JavaScript, like on particular event what you want to do. So in this I'll explain you by giving two example. Okay, so I created one paragraph and ID is para. When mouse go over, like mouse will go on this, then it call this method. Okay, so in this method what we are doing, okay, this is the method. So what we are doing, on change background, we are changing the background color. Okay, when mouse on mouse out, back to normal, again back to normal. So we are calling this function, so making void, so it's back to normal. So one more thing we are doing, like for with image, this image is there and image ID is image. When mouse will go, it will give a new picture. Okay, here is putting a new picture when mouse will go, and when mouse will out, it will put original picture. Okay, old picture only. So mouse on, new picture, and on mouse out it will call this thing. So this is like for events you need one tag, in which tag and event type. On that you are calling some JavaScript functions. So let's see how it will work. Okay, so if we are going in hello there, see it become red. When we mouse out, it become white. Again we are going, it become hello. Yes. This image, when we go image, it become old, a new image, and we mouse out, it become new. So these are the events thing we have discussed till now. Okay, so next section we'll discuss some more thing. Thank you.